What if I told you that not making your magic hobby your full-time job might be the best choice for your magic? Whether you are just starting out or have been doing magic for a few years, it is only natural to want to go pro. But you might want to hold off on that until you finish watching this video. Hello everyone, my name is Yin Hao and I've been a magic enthusiast or hobbyist for the past 20 years. Magic is my passion. I love doing it, I love learning it, and I love watching good magic. I may perform a couple of paid gigs a year, and this balance has given me 20 years of joy, all while having a regular 9-to-5 job. In this video, we will explore why staying a passionate hobbyist or amateur magician can actually be more rewarding than doing it as your full-time job. Let's dive right in. The first and most obvious advantage is money. Specifically, you get to enjoy magic without the pressure of it needing to support you financially. Full-time magicians might feel financial pressure. You need to book shows constantly and market yourself all the time. When you're a hobbyist, every effect you do does not need to generate monetary return. You're not thinking, would this effect pay me back for the 40 or 80 hours that I spend learning it? Your day job, with proper budgeting, allows you to invest in great props, attend lectures, and go to conventions with much less financial stress. The money you spend on your magic becomes an investment in your passion, and not some business expense which needs to generate return. As a hobbyist, you can learn whatever you want, whenever you want. Professional magicians may need to focus on effects that are commercial. As a hobbyist, apart from commercial effects, you can spend 3 months learning an effect just because you find it interesting and for your own curiosity, even if the angles aren't great or you never intend to perform it for anyone. You can explore any kind of magic. Bizarre magic, sleight of hand, mentalism, or storytelling magic without needing to worry about whether it is marketable. Want to collect 15 sets of cups and balls? Or buy every book test on the market? As long as your budget allows, go ahead. You might become a better magician as a hobbyist than if you went professional too quickly, because you can focus on the skills and effect that interest you and that you like, rather than what makes money. When magic isn't your primary income source, you learn magic for the love of it. You don't feel rushed to take shortcuts or to monetize every skill. You can spend months perfecting and studying one routine that you like. This freedom and deeper practice often leads to better performance, innovation, and joy. Now you might be thinking, I do want to generate some sort of income with my magic. Being a hobbyist or amateur magician doesn't mean that you can't generate income with your magic. It just means you do so on your terms. You can be selective on the gigs you take on. These gigs can be based on how fun it is rather than how much it pays. On the flip side, you can charge what you are worth or what you believe you are worth without feeling the pressure to discount or lowball, because you don't desperately need every booking. You can also focus on exactly the type of magic that you want to perform and the venue that you prefer. You want to create magic content on YouTube or even publish original effects? Go ahead. You are doing it for the joy and not so much that you need the money. The money you do earn becomes fun money rather than bill-paying money, which keeps it stress-free. And if it gets spent immediately on the latest magic release, it's okay. I only perform a couple of gigs per year. These occasional gigs keep every performance feeling exciting and special, like a celebration of my passion rather than work. They are special because I choose it and not a requirement. Anything I receive from content creation is also just a bonus, and I'm grateful that people are watching my content and finding it useful. Magic as fun, not work. This might be the biggest advantage. Magic stays your escape, not your source of stress. After a long day or week at work, I come home and spend the weekend practicing card tricks, watching tutorials and lectures. It is relaxing, challenging, and completely separate from my work. When magic becomes your job, your passion can transform into pressure. As a hobbyist, there is no expectation to stay in character all the time. Magic retains its role as a stress reliever and creative outlet, and you can actually enjoy the process even more. Let me be clear, I'm not saying that going pro is bad, or for you never to go pro. The world needs amazing magicians and performers. And some people genuinely have a calling to make magic their career. I'm simply suggesting maybe not yet, and enjoy being a hobbyist for now. You get to keep the joy and the pure love of the art without business complications. You get to enjoy magic for what it really is. Wonder and not work. That is the real magic of being a hobbyist magician. So if you love magic but don't want to make it your job, don't worry, you are not settling or it's not a step down. You just might be making the smartest move for your magic. The above points are of course just my opinion and open for discussion. What do you think? Are you a hobbyist or amateur magician? Let me know in the comments below which part of being a hobbyist or amateur magician appeals to you. Do you like this new style of content that I'm trying out? Let me know in the comments below as well. But don't worry, more magic reviews are coming up soon. Here are some other videos for you to watch next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.